Imagine turning on your Roku TV and suddenly the screen freezes. The remote stops responding, the menus won't move, and the TV looks completely stuck. It can be frustrating when nothing seems to work. The good news is that many Roku freezing issues have simple fixes that you can try yourself in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through easy troubleshooting steps to fix a Roku TV that is frozen, stuck, or not responding. Let's begin with the simplest and most effective fix, a full power restart. Unplug your TV directly from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds. This step allows the internal system to fully reset and clear temporary glitches that can cause the screen to freeze. After waiting, plug the TV back into the wall and turn it on again. In many cases, this quick reset alone is enough to restore normal operation. If the screen is still on but the TV remains frozen, you can try forcing a restart using the remote. This is a hidden command that tells the TV to reboot even if the menus are stuck. Take your remote and press the home button 5 times. After that, press the up button once, then press the rewind button 2 times. Finally, press the fast forward button 2 times. While entering this sequence, you may see things briefly move on the screen. That's normal, so just ignore it and wait for the TV to restart automatically. If the TV is responding enough for you to move through the menus, another option is restarting it through the system settings. Go to the home screen, open settings, then go to system and select system restart. Confirm the restart and the TV will reboot normally, which often clears freezing issues. If the problem continues, there is also a physical reset option on the TV itself. Look around the back or bottom edge of the TV for a small reset button. Press and hold that button for about 10 to 20 seconds. This method should only be used as a last option when the other fixes do not work, since it can reset certain settings depending on the model. In some cases, the TV may only freeze when opening a specific app. If that happens, the issue is likely caused by the app itself, often due to a bug or corrupted data. Highlight the app on the home screen, press the star button on your remote, and choose Remove Channel. After removing it, restart the TV and then reinstall the app again. Another quick thing to check is the remote. Replace the batteries to make sure the remote has enough power. If the remote still doesn't respond properly, it may need to be paired again with the TV. Finally, take a moment to check the connections going into the TV. Unplug the HDMI cable and plug it back in securely. You can also try switching to a different input to see if that resolves the issue. That's it for fixing a frozen or unresponsive Roku TV. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. If one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.